Did you know that a simple overnight ritual with figs and water can transform your health? Figs, or Anjeer, are a powerhouse of nutrients, but soaking them in water overnight unlocks even more benefits. From better digestion to glowing skin, this ancient remedy is backed by science. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal the best way to consume soaked figs for maximum results. Fresh or dried figs are nutritious, but soaking them in water makes them even better. The water softens the figs, releasing more enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. This process also breaks down complex sugars, making them easier to digest. Plus, the water absorbs the nutrients, turning it into a health-boosting drink. Number 1. Supercharges digestion and relieves constipation. Figs are packed with fiber, which adds bulk to stool and promotes smooth bowel movements. Soaking them enhances their laxative effect, making them a natural remedy for constipation. The soluble fiber also feeds good gut bacteria, improving overall digestion. Number 2. Boosts heart health. Figs contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. The antioxidants in soaked figs reduce oxidative stress, lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and preventing heart diseases. Number 3. Controls blood sugar levels. Despite being sweet, figs have a low glycemic index. The soluble fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes. Soaked figs also contain chlorogenic acid, which helps lower blood glucose levels, great for diabetics when consumed in moderation. Number 4. Strengthens bones. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, soaked figs improve bone density and prevent osteoporosis. The overnight soaking increases mineral absorption, making them more effective than eating dry figs alone. Number 5. Enhances weight loss. The high fiber content keeps you full longer, reducing cravings. Soaked figs also help flush out toxins, improve metabolism, and prevent fat accumulation. Perfect for a natural weight loss boost. Number 6. Improves skin and hair health. The vitamins, A, E, C, and antioxidants in soaked figs fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles and acne. Drinking fig water hydrates the skin, while the iron and zinc promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Number 7. Boosts immunity. Figs are loaded with immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. Soaking them overnight enhances nutrient absorption, helping your body fight infections faster. Number 8. Increases energy and stamina. Need a natural energy drink? Soaked figs provide instant glucose for quick energy, along with B vitamins that enhance stamina. Ideal for athletes and busy professionals. Number 9. Detoxifies the body. The fiber and antioxidants in fig water help cleanse the liver and kidneys, flushing out harmful toxins. This improves overall organ function and prevents diseases. Number 10. Improves sexual health. Ancient remedies used figs as an aphrodisiac. The amino acids in soaked figs boost libido, improve fertility, and enhance blood circulation. Great for both men and women. Here's the best way to use soaked figs. Take 2 to 3 dried figs, wash them, and soak in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water first. It's nutrient-rich. Eat the softened figs on an empty stomach for better absorption. Do this daily for at least 2 weeks to see visible results. Add a pinch of cinnamon or honey for extra flavor and health benefits. While soaked figs are beneficial, some people should be cautious. Diabetics consume in moderation. Those with kidney issues, high oxalate content. People with allergies to figs. Always consult a doctor if you have medical conditions. Figs soaked in water overnight are a simple yet powerful health hack. From digestion to glowing skin, the benefits are endless. If you found this useful, Hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Comment below. Have you tried soaked figs? What changes did you notice?